Elevate your bathroom style with the Nuie Rene brushed brass sliding shower door 1400 mm. Its stunning brushed brass finish adds a touch of sophistication to your bathroom, while the sliding door design maximizes your space. With a generously sized 585 mm entry width, you can easily access your shower without worrying about the door taking up extra space. Experience peace of mind with the door's 6 mm toughened safety glass that provides increased durability and safety. The reversible sliding door allows for left or right-hand opening, making it adaptable to any bathroom layout. Plus, it can be used with a side panel or in a recess to create your ideal showering space. To complete your bathroom's look, matching accessories are also available. Don't settle for an ordinary bathroom when you can have one that exudes luxury and class. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.